My name is Rawan Alsahsah. I'm an interior designer, and I'm here today to talk about my story of hope, to give hope. Basically, in 2007, 5 years after I established my design firm, I decided to expand my business and open a new division, which is architectural design. So I hired an architect to carry out and to be able to handle this division. And for personal reasons, I had to leave the country for a few months. But by the time I came back, I found out that the company was falling apart. He left the company with my staff, with some of my clients, with some projects, and he almost left me with nothing but my name. At that point, it's normal to freak out, but I decided that I had hope that I'm gonna do it again. And alhamdulillah, now it's been like 3 years since that happened, and I didn't open only like a design firm. I also added contracting and a retail store to our group.